Hello everyone, today we will make a paper airplane from an A4 sheet that even a beginner can make, and you will see how it flies at the end of the video. Well, I'll tell and show you how to make it. We started by folding the paper sheet in half. Next, we fold the edges to the center. To make it easier, I hold it here with my finger. This way, you can align the sheet exactly to the middle, smooth out the sheet, and do the same on the other side.
After that, take the top part and fold it like I do.
We do the same on the left side.
Well, while you're doing that, I recommend subscribing to my channel because every week a new video comes out on how to make a new paper airplane.
Great, we managed to create a spot where the next fold will go. We place the top part down to make a straight line relative to the center. Now you need to fold the sheet as I do. We first smooth out the right side and then draw a line to the center here to create a fold like this.
And we do almost the same on the left side.
At this point everything should be even. Here is the triangle we get, now we unfold it. And we do it so that it flattens out. Now you can see how our paper airplane is turning out at this stage. Next, we need to fold our paper airplane in half. It is done like this. Measure to ensure everything is even. Smooth it out several times, flip it over and smooth it again. Now we proceed directly to making the wings of our paper airplane. We make the fold right here at the tip of the triangle, smooth it out and do the same on the other side.
Now unfold it.
And fold the sheet right here at the edge, just a little, about 1 centimeter. Do the same on the other side.
So, we have almost finished our paper airplane. Now we need to make the tail part, which is done very simply. We carefully fold it a little so our sheet doesn't tear the tail part.
Do the same on the other side.
Well, that's it. Our paper airplane is ready. We'll see how it flies.